we've just arrived at Bognor Regis. These lifts are currently out of service.
So you gotta use the stairs.
Go use the stairs. Kind staff are helping us get all the things upstairs because the lifts aren't working. We're checking in here. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's that way, isn't it? That way. Hello, right, we've just arrived at Bognor Regis.
Hello.
Hello, and we're staying at the Ocean Hotel. You can see it in the background.
This is the back of the hotel. We were too late booking to get one round the front where you could see the resort, but this is great.
Yeah.
Looks really nice. There's palm trees there.
Yeah. There's the palm trees in my car today, as we've had problems with the camper van recently.
Yes, and as you can see, I brought my car.
Oh, his new car, yeah. Oh, yes.
Audi.
In his dreams.
Audi. And lovely.
In his dreams, isn't it, boys? There we go.
Oh, talking of my car, that's strange.
Who's Daddy's van?
Someone brought it for us.
Someone brought my van with them. A newer one than mine.
Yes, there's all the trolleys. These lifts are currently out of service.
So you gotta use the stairs.
Go use the stairs. Kind staff are helping us get all the things upstairs because the lifts aren't working. Oh, there's a spa there. Massage from £35. Alright, facials £35, nails from £21, 2-hour spa £25.
Sounds good, but that's £100 for all of it.
Yeah, it's a lot for all of us. Yeah, this is on the first floor, and they've got the Kaleidoscope bar and restaurant. This is where we have our breakfast and dinner. Oh, breakfast and dinner. Just see the times. Yeah, breakfast 8 till 10:30, and dinner 4:30 till 7. Oh, be good. You come down after. Yeah. And that's reception over there. Hiya, we're checking in here.
Absolutely. Can I have the leading surname on the booking?
Yeah.
We have a new staff. You can do, like a play experience.
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
we've
Swimming pool indoor.
got tokens for that, haven't we?
Yeah.
Very much.
Oh, thank you.
Now, on this side are all your shows for your stay. One with Red Bee you need to book on your app. They are free. It's just the number of people because
Yeah.
they popular.
Yes, we have.
And here, swimming pool is called Splash, late night swim, fairground opening hours for your stay, okay?
Thank you.
So there's lots to read.
Thank you.
Inside the pack you also have a little card to guess Billy's age and they get a complimentary sweetie or something. Okay, so yes,
Okay, that's great.
Enjoy your time with us.
206.
Good boy.
That's it, good. Well done, Thomas. Hang on. Wow.
I get the pal. Dips this side. Okay. Wow, nice bathroom.
Nice bathroom, is there?
Wow, what? Look.
Where? What is it? Oh, you got telly, have you?
Just getting out. All the sun's out.
Movie.
We don't like heights in this family.
So that's a Shoreline Hotel over there, is
That's
it?
the Shoreline Hotel. That's some chalets there that we
Playing
just
football.
drove past.
It's beautiful.
Oh,
look at that.
Yeah, I know. I think it's the Dodgems over there.
But they didn't, the people who helped us, they didn't look like red coats, they were like purple jumpers.
Yeah, I know. That's all right, isn't it? Lovely, nice balcony. And you got 2 chairs there. Quite nice if it's warm out here, isn't it? And we got a tea and coffee. Tea point. I'm still holding the mouthwash I am from before when we had to bring everything up. Kettle. What's this? Safe?
It'll look better when it's darker.
I don't know. Is there a switch around?
There. There's loads of things.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Lovely. We've got telly though, will it? Nice seats. Nice table, put our drinks on. Oh, and you got a fridge, I think, haven't you?
Fridge.
Fridge. Oh, that'd be handy. We've got to get some milk, haven't we? Quite a big fridge. Oh, this is lovely room, this, isn't it? Lovely, this room, isn't it? As I say, pow. Oh, there's 2 plugs there. 2 plugs, that's handy. How was that for a rain shower?
It's a good way you can actually see the result.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
massive. Look at
Oh,
the
wow,
carousel.
yeah. Oh, look at that.
All these things in the fairground are all free except for the go-kart.
Yeah.
How
yeah.
does Scouter?
Yeah.
The Scouter too. The shelter.
Yeah.
And where's that new play experience? I think it's
There's a helter-skelter.
over that way. That's over that way at the front.
Helter-skelter.
So it's good to see that while the
Hey,
sun's out.
you like that, Sam?
Yeah.
The deck is the restaurant for the Wave Hotel, so they have
How
to
is
come
that?
outside.
Oh, yeah.
Should go and have a quick look.
Let's go and have a quick look, yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
Deck restaurant.
Same times, isn't it?
Yeah.
The dinners and the breakfasts.
I've even
Yeah.
heard that both restaurants serve the same food, so they must have had it.
Yeah.
It's all getting cooked in bulk. So.
Yeah.
Wait, is it a buffet there as well?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're not allowed to use that, but
No.
only if it's raining and all, they
Yeah.
have to put their coats on.
It's like, gotta come out, haven't they?
Yeah. It's not too far though.
No. Bit's quite smart, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the wave. one of those.
Quite nice hotel, isn't it?
Looks nice, yeah.
This is an arcade dedicated to this hotel.
Yeah.
Sam was wondering if anyone could use it. And I said, probably wouldn't mind, it just want the money.
Well, yeah, exactly. Smart, isn't it? Yeah. That's the shoreline. Should we go in it now?
Is it a shoreline?
Yeah. Yeah, might as well.
No, no, it's all
No, we were an early stay here, weren't we? Just gonna have a look. Oh, that's a restaurant. Same times for the food, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's around the corner, it's where the entrance is. It looks like an inner school, yeah, it goes in there.
Oh, it goes on there, is it? Oh, yeah. Still doesn't look as big as ours, though, does it? Yeah. No, Anton. He's making himself a roll, you are. Yeah. Nice. See you now. Can't really see. Just see me. Hello. In the glass. Yeah, me. Yeah. Yeah. On there.
Right on the top of the end.
Yeah. Let's get you buy-in. If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the like button.